नमस्कार, राम राम। बापू मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, people gave name Bapu. Bapu is one of elder person who guide us. बापू इज महात्मा गांधी। आज इस सेंटर में, आज इस देश में आके मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है। गार्गी सेठ के नेतृत्व में ट्रेनर होने वाला है हिंदुस्तान में, उसके पहले एज ए चेयरमैन मुझे यहाँ के बैनाल में अपने देश का कलाकारों का प्रदर्शन यहाँ लाने का गार्गी जी के प्रयास से एक मौका मिला। मैं आप सभी का आभारी हूँ।
It gives me immense pleasure to be here in this country in the leadership of Gargi and to present this exhibition that
we are organizing Trainer India next year.
So before that happens in India, it gives us immense pleasure to have this here in Israel in the leadership of Gargi.
मुझे इसके लिए बहुत खुशी है। इस सेंटर के अध्यक्ष, इस सेंटर के उपाध्यक्ष और बहुत सारे प्रतिष्ठित लोग हैं, कलाकार हैं, जिन्होंने यहाँ आके हमारा उत्साह बढ़ाया है।
We have received a lot of encouragement from artists and also from the deputy director and other people who have been involved in organizing this exhibition.
इस बात की भी खुशी है कि इजराइल एम्बेसी के भारत के हमारे प्रतिनिधि यहाँ पे आके हमें मार्गदर्शन किया है।
I'm also happy for the support that we have received from the Indian Embassy, representatives of the Indian Embassy in Israel.
हम गांधी की बात करते हैं। क्यों गांधी? 150 साल अंग्रेजों ने भारत को लूटा था, पराधीन बनाया था हिंदुस्तान को। हजारों लोग स्वतंत्र होने के लिए सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे थे, गोली के शिकार बन रहे थे, और तभी भारत के स्वातंत्र्य का नेतृत्व बापू जैसे महान देशभक्तों ने किया।
Well, India was looted by the British for hundreds of years and the people went through a lot of suffering. Gandhi came at the forefront to lead the national movement of India.
When Gandhi came, he was the weaponless person. He had a deep feeling of the common people. He was travel in South Africa, support the labor. After that he came in India, he support the farmer. He travel all over India and he make a theory. He said, I will fight for democracy till we will win, and Bapu done it. It was very big win when the Angrez was with weapon and all Indians were weaponless fighting. Thousands of people give the sacrifice, but finally, English people realized there is no way to live India. In 1947, India was independent, and all over after that, India is a democratic country. Today, in 150th birthday anniversary, whole nation India is celebrating Bapu. This exhibition is part of that. Lalit Kala Academy, found in 1958 at Ravindra Bhavan, New Delhi. We have 6 centers all over India and 5 centers in partly in India. Thousands of artists join with Lalit Kala Academy. In this exhibition, there are 17 artists exhibiting. This is the senior and junior artist show. You can get here, see the Anjali Ila Menon and Satish Gujralji, like very great painter of India, and few others there. Lalit Kala Academy celebrated on 22nd October Gandhi's birthday exhibition, and it was very fabulous. Support by the all agencies and people and artists and gather in Delhi and all over India, everywhere Gandhi's thinking, thought, theory is a very simple. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही रे, जो पीड़ पराई जाने रे. मतलब it means वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए, भगवान उनको मानिए. You said God to him who feel other people's pain. And this was the theory of Mahatma Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi. When he realized the common people of India have a not wearing to clothes, he refused to own his shirt whole life, and only one dhoti he wear till the end. One of birthday, Kasturba, Ba is the name of Kasturba. Gandhiji's birthday, she bring a small lamb. It is in cow's ghee. And Bapu said, what is this? Now she said, Bapu, today is your birthday. I want to your आरती. Means आपकी हम ये उतारते हैं नजर इस घी से, पीड़ा होनी चाहिए, टलनी चाहिए. Bapu refused that. He said, common people are not getting a simple oil to eat, and you are celebrating my birthday with cow's ghee. What you said that? And he stopped her wife. He stopped wife Kasturba. Don't give me. Very famous sculptor who was Gandhi's follower. He donated more than 70 crores of land in Ahmedabad city. In beginning of Gandhi's life, he was making Gandhi sketches, and it was before in democracy, and he was trying to sell his Gandhi sketch to the foreigner journalists and all those people. That time he was speaking in English. Gandhi was stopped to speak with him. He prayed, why Bapu you are stopped? You are not speaking me. He wrote some 2-3 lines. I punish you 1.5 rupees because you not respect your own language. For selling my artwork to them, you use the English language. Why? You are pleasing to them. No. You have to tell in your language, in Hindi or Gujarati, in Marathi. Many languages in India, I appreciate that. But you try to say in that. English language use and try to sell the picture. And since that day, boy, the Kantibhai Patel, great sculptor of India, was working in principle with Gandhi. When last year Kantibhai Patel died, before that he called me, and every property, each na each, there are some trees and garden and studios and foundries, all he donated to the Lalit Kala Academy. He said, the country has given me this, and that's why I am giving to the country, returning. And Lalit Kala Academy, that's why I am calling Lalit Kala. So this was the principle of Gandhi. Nothing is owned, everything is of all countries, it is going to that. So these are the elements in this exhibition also you can see. And I would like to you, we open our exhibition catalog, and please kindly you come forward.